Okay, if you not download for today, do it now.
Does the third one, or is the third one supposed to have XLSX at the end of it?
That will be, I think, accurate.
It was downloaded the same day as the other 1 and 2, so I assume it does.
Let's see, NPN. That's a different. Number one, choose sample. Number three, no sample. That will be XLSI.
Okay, I was just making sure because in the thing, the electronic lectures, it just has a ending of XLSX on it.
Let's see, I want to say.
About. So this is calculation electronics.
Text file XLSI. XLSI. Okay, 14. Do you know how to get into the Visual C++ to create a new project? Did everyone know how to do it?
No.
No. Okay. Who else? that is in the handout. Step by step will helping you how to get into the Visual C++. So that will be in the handout, okay? And go into C++ instruction, okay? That is telling you. Now, if you already know how, then guarantee, make sure in your computer, on your hard drive, okay, you're supposed to get the directory ATT. And in that one, you must get the file IO dot H. Make sure in your hard drive, you have to get a directory ETT. And inside that directory, you get the file IO.h. Okay, now I will be start at the beginning. Make sure you guys can follow it. This is very, very important in this training. Everyone have to do it without, any problem. So the fourth thing, you need to double click on the Visual C++. Okay, you see that? If you're not done before, now you try to do it. Okay, follow me. I take it step by step. You already get the Visual C++ installed to your computer. Who don't have it? Okay, so everyone get it. Click on New Project. Okay, so select Win32 console and type in the name of your project. Okay, for example, I using eCalculation. Okay, sample, for example. Okay, make sure you follow me, okay? If you confusing something, stop me. Okay, to me, I can first thing, I copy that name here, highlight and control C. I copy. So later on, I don't have to type in again. Okay, now, depending on where you supposed to say your project, so you can click on the browse here. Okay, they're telling you where you supposed to say. For my, I say on ETT phone to 2020, take one, eCalculation, program, get a directory. Okay, so I can say select folder. Then I click OK. Okay, so this point, click next. That's the way to get into this software to edit the program. So you must be follow it, get along with that. Okay, next on this page, on this window, unclick that guy, unclick that guy, select empty project, then finish. Okay, next step, right click on eCalculation here. Select add new item. Click on new item. Okay. Select the love file, CPP. And now typing the name of your project. Last time I already copied. Now I can control V. Okay, so that's why I don't have to type again. Okay, and click add. If you're doing it right, your screen will be look like this one. Any question?
So far, so good.
Any question? Anything? You must be follow me, okay? In order you can do it. Step by step, just the way we do it, not why. Okay? So now, next step, right click on the project eCalculation. Okay? Right click on that. Go to property and select common language. Click the arrow here. Select slash CLR and click apply. Okay, that's the whole thing. You get into your program ready to edit it. You get any problem? Okay, basically this is in the software to solving electronic or digital problem. We're not supposed to keep typing the program, no. Okay, normally we're using the program already there and copy to the new project and change whatever we need to change. Okay, so after we already there, right now, I need to open the one I sent it to you, the text file. I can open that file and copy and then paste it into my program. So I don't have to type in anything. Okay, so now I can go into my text file. If you already downloaded, okay, let's see. This is the text file right here. You see that? That's the file I sent it to you. The text file here. Okay. Only thing is you need to copy this one and paste it into your program. So first thing, you control A. That means you select everything. Okay. Then you control C. Copy. Okay. So I don't care this anymore. Go into my control V. You see that? That is copy everything. Okay. From the beginning to the end of the program. We'll explain to you. Okay. After you get it done, what you need to do is you go to build. That means compile. You see you get an error or not. Okay, no error. That means ready to execute. So you go to the debug. Start without debugging. That means you run the program. And now you see how they display. Calculation. Get one part, two part, three part, four part, five part, six part. And that means you're done. Okay? When you run the packet, Then now you will be upload the file. Normally the file upload will be CPP file or the text file be okay. Now I can show you. If you go to your Windows Explorer, okay, and I'm looking for uh, the program I did it. Let's see, program eCalculation sample. Okay, now if you're looking eCalculation sample, they get two folder here. One in here display the project. You cannot upload the project. Okay, you have to select another folder here. They say show you here. This is a C++ short file. This is a file .cpp. That's the one you will be uploading. Okay, any question? Okay, now I try to explain to you. When you say double slash slash here, that means the command. Okay? Compiler will be ignore those lines. They don't care whatever you put it in. So normally in the C++, they will be a green color. When you see the green one, you know that's a comment. Okay? On that one, you just change same different name on your project here. Different file name .cpp, and programmer put your name, not my name. So that's a change to your name.
Oh, put Mr. Pham there?
I guarantee you put my name, you pass. Also, when you're reading version date, whatever date you do it, okay, then now just copy that line, okay? Now in here, in your calculation, you need to get decoration and a definition, okay? I show you. Okay, that's the Excel. So if I'm looking on the circuit here, you can see how many variable. First thing you get RB, RC, VBB, VCC. Okay, so that's why in the program RB double type double variable name RB equal 10,000. We put a comment here, okay, telling you that is a 10K, 10 kilo ohm. However, the computer don't know kilo ohm. They only know ohm. Okay, so that's why You cannot put K in the RB equal K here. The computer not understand. And RC equal 100 ohm. That's okay. And the VCC you say equal 10. But we get a comment here telling you they be 10 volt. You cannot put 10 V. No, computer cannot understand. Same thing, VBB 5 volt. And the beta, they given to you 150. And the VBE value 0.7.
Hey, Mr. Pham,
Yeah,
VDE all the time, you're going to give us a 0.7, but the beta, you'll change that as necessary, correct?
exactly.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
Beta depending on circuitry. VBA, that means apply for all silicon diode. Okay, that means you must get the decoration and definition for all of your variable. Then now you go into the main program. You understand all of the software C++, they start with the program named main. Open and the close that function. Okay, then you must be open the brace. Okay, in here, this part of my software, you just leave it this way. Set up system color, okay, whatever here. Only you change will be changed right here. That means what day you doing your project. Also the C method. That one will be 2024. Use section take one, put take one. Enter your name, last name, your first name. Okay. And that means you only change that few things you have to. And the rest will be left that way. That is the first part. Okay. And now your job will be here. You start with a test number. The test number 1. So you can go into your Excel. You can say test number 1 here. Test number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. First thing you need to highlight number 1 here. Control C. Copy. Go back into your test number 1 here. Then you can Control V. Paste them out. That means you by looking into here, you know what's going on. So you must put slash. This is a command. Okay. And now you go here. You say test title. So basically, this is your test title right here.
Mr. Pham.
That's your test title. So basically, Control C. Copy. Paste into your test title.
Mr. Pham.
Yeah, just a minute. Paste them out. Yeah.
Could you zoom out a little bit so we can see your note line, please?
Make it bigger.
Just a little bit smaller. We can't see the end of a test
Oh,
number 1 note, please.
okay.
Thank you.
That's okay, right?
Thank you.
A little more. That be okay or not? Still missing.
A little bit more. There you go, right there.
Okay.
Thank you.
So now you copy that title. And now that you have the expect value, there's a number here. That expect value. If you're looking on your Excel value, that is the one right here. Unit here, formula here. Okay, so you can see expect value 0.43. That's why you enter here. Okay, unit milliamp here. Okay, this is the formula. That's what you copy and paste into formula here. Make sure Control C and Control V. Okay. Now, filter. The test title cannot be changed. Whatever I given to you, put it in. Expect value cannot be changed no matter what. I say 0.43. You put 0.43. Unit also, milliamp. You cannot change unit. That is the thing you cannot change. Okay? And now this is the formula you apply. Okay? You want it to copy IB here. Okay? Copy this formula. Copy and paste into here. Control V. Okay? Okay? Then calculation value equal IB. If you're using double IB here, then this must be IB. Okay? So we already get down here. So I can comment it out. Okay? Double IB, calculation IB, check calculation. So that's done. Okay? Normally, when you do it, okay, I can delete everything here. So basically, I just doing only one test. Okay? Make sure they pass, then I can do the second one. Don't try to type in the whole program. Okay? Okay, so now after you're done, then you can build, rebuild. Okay, no error. You can run. And now to see, only one test. Now fail test one. That means the test number one is failed. Okay, so we press enter key. You see that? The telling you failed. Now, why they fail? Who know why they fail?
Maybe the units or something.
Okay, now, you know a basic formula for the law. V equal R times I. V must be in volt. R must be in ohm. I must be ampere. So now if you want to calculate I, okay, I equal V divide R, okay? V, they will be in volt. R will be in ohm. So the answer coming out will be what? Unit will be
Amp.
ampere, okay?
But you need to change it to milliamp.
Right. So now I want V divide R to have to get ampere. However, in the program, I asking you milliamp, okay? So what we can do is you have to take I equal I, okay? Time 1000, right?
Right.
The thing is you want to change from ampere to milliamp. That time 10 power 3, 10,000, okay? So the
So
thing is when you doing the calculation on the electronic, you don't have to using your calculator to do it, but you have to tell the computer do for you, okay? They just follow whatever you want to do. They do it.
so you have to take the comment off of line 43, 41.
Correct.
Right.
That means after I calculate IB, okay, yeah, then I need to add in the line to change that to milliamp. The thing is they asking for unit in milliamp. So I take comment out.
Calculation value and expected value are the same. Is that correct, Mr. Fan?
Calculation value here, you must be using whatever you're using here, IB. Every time you apply the formula here, VC, IB, VCT, whatever, then calculation value have to be that variable, okay?
How is the unit equals milliamps referenced as the IB value wanted? Where is it in the program that says that the output value will be a specific unit? So if I want IB as a unit of milliamps, where in the test line
Right here.
is the unit specified as being IB? Should unit be defined also as being IB in the notes?
Unit mean they asking you, they in milliamp, ampere, microamp, nothing to do with the variable. IB just a variable.
So expected value line is referencing also the unit equals line, correct?
Expect value here. That means I wanted our calculation equal. Basically, they coming out from Excel. You see that? The value, expect value here, 0.43. And the unit here, milliamp. Why milliamp? The thing I wanted milliamp. I can put unit equal ampere or microamp. That doesn't matter. But the program must be follow what we want.
So it's order of operations. You want the expected value on line 38 and the order of operation for the next process. That expected value will be a unit of a milliamp.
Yeah, that's given.
And then the order of operation after unit is the formula.
That is the formula you need to do your calculation.
And then the order of operation from double is IB, and IB is the unit, correct?
This is the formula how to calculate the IB.
Right. Thank you.
Okay. And after you calculate the IB and you see the calculation come out will be ampere. However, they want milli. So that's why I need to adding one line here to change from ampere to milliamp. Any question on that number one?
Let's see if it passed.
For sure they will be passed. Build, rebuild. Debug. Start without debugging. See that? Part that one. See that?
So you do one test at a time.
Now, yeah, the first one, that's what I recommend you to do. Doing the first test, make sure they pass. That means you don't get away from any errors. Okay? After they pass, what you do? Copy test number one. Highlight that guy. Control C. And go down here. Control V. Okay? So now, this line here, I have to copy from Excel for that number two. Okay? So this for number two. Okay, I go to Excel here. Number two. Calculate DCIC. Here. Copy that line. C. Okay? Going back here. I can put in here. Okay? So now, that title. There's the test title right here. Control C. Paste them out here. Okay? The formula. This is the formula. Copy. Okay? and expect value 64.5. Milliamp. Okay, now you copy the formula. Here's the copy formula. Copy and paste to that double here. Control V. Okay. I see. Okay. And then get calculation value to IC. Then you done step number 2.
Well, you got to change line 53.
I just copy it.
No.
I know what to say. You are master now. Compile. I want everyone same thing.
Okay.
That is a thing we have to do all the time.
I'm not master yet. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Me neither.
And debug stuck without debug. Bobcat 1. Bobcat 2. Okay, then you keep doing the same thing. That's how you do it. Make sure they say right here.
Hey, Mr. Pham,
Yeah,
I just want to alleviate some confusion. Since we were after IC in test 2, shouldn't line 53 be commented out or something?
you can remove that. You see, you can remove this line. Why? The thing after line 52, you get nothing to do with IB.
Right.
So that's why you don't need that line. You see that?
Right. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Because it's just confusing when you know you were after IC and then you see IB on a separate line.
Yeah, the thing is that extra line. Okay, so basically your program will be added before line 62. After line 62, it's my program. Don't touch it. Okay, so you will be doing in here.
Why is line 53 green?
50,
53 is green.
53 green. Maybe they can get that problem right here.
52.
Okay, that means you get a typo problem.
Will that still pass the test?
Yeah, no. If you compile, you get error. The thing is, we not compile when they get the read on 53, right?
So our values automatically converted to milliamp?
Yeah, they convert into milliamp if you want to convert it. And this line here, why they convert into milliamp? The thing is, before you using IB, on step number 1, you already change IB to milliamp.
IB is already referencing the previous
Right, exactly.
function.
Exactly. Also, for some people, get more experience with the software. I can tell you another thing. When you get a unit here equal milliamp, and on the second test, unit equal milliamp, basically you don't have to type in again. This line can be removed. However, in here we want to put a thing in easy for following. Okay. However, if the variable in the previous test do not change in the second test, you don't have to retype.
Mhm.
Again, okay? When you try to do on the software, especially for C++, you go into open your new project like we did. Then you're looking for the file, either CPP or text file. Open and copy to your project. Then you can change whatever you need to change. Okay? You're not supposed to keep typing everything. No, we're not learning typing. Okay? But you must understand what you're doing. Now, I can go to another one, and then you have to do it for me. Okay? Must get this thing done. The thing and more thing will be using this software. Okay, now I will be get another one. That the one will be that one. If you already downloaded, okay. Now, what I want you to do, you're doing that one for me. You start a new project. And you can open that and they can telling you in that one, the decoration and the value. Okay. So now I can quickly give you an example here. Okay. Now I open again. Go to new. Okay. Win32. I can say control application one doesn't matter to me. I don't care where I can put it. Okay. I say okay. Then I say next. Unlock, unrear, marking on that one. finish. And right click on the project, add new item. Select C++, whatever short file here, doesn't matter to me. I say add. So now we're ready. Okay? So what I want to do, I go to open. Okay, go open. File. I'm looking for the file already done somewhere. Okay, open here. Then now I go to my computer looking for somewhere we get program already. Okay, eCalculation program here. I can get P&P. Okay, calculation NPN here, calculation sample, whatever. Okay, I can go to calculation sample. Okay, on that one, they're talking about the project. I need to click on second one here. I see CPP. See that? I click on CPP. Okay, say open. Now, if you're looking on your screen, on the top, on the left, this is the program we already did. And this is your program new. So I go to the one we did it. I get Control A. That means I copy everything. Then I go to second one here, Control V. Let's see what's wrong here.
You needed to do Control A and Control C.
Yeah, now Control C. And go back to my short here, Control V. Okay, so that means I already copy all one. Then I click X on this guy. No more. I don't need that.
Move over to click that. There you go. There you
Okay.
go.
So now what you need to change to your name, whatever on that one. Now you're doing the same thing.
So you put my name on it and I upload it for credit.
Okay, go ahead and do it. Change what you need to change. Just get the first step done. And I need you to sharing the screen and run. Make sure we learning a technician. I have a note where if you cannot try to understand how to code it, that is not the problem. Okay? Just a step by step doing more time. It's no problem at all. Okay, so whoever want to share anything you not really follow it, just bring it up. For now, I want you to get only one test number, one done. Try to share. And tomorrow we'll be working with the transistor amplifier. Anyone get the first test done?
Yeah.
You can share that.
This one.
And can you make it bigger so we can see?
Hmm. Maybe. Hmm.
You can click on the tab on the bar on top and right click it. Oh
Up here.
no, on the when you were running the on the black screen a minute ago on the execute. Yeah, on okay, and on the top bar there, right click on it. I'll go in the top bar, yeah, on the white, and go down to properties. And then let's see, you can put let me see, you want to choose this font size, choose font.
Oh,
Okay, so you want to choose a 28 or 32 or 72. So 36. Yeah, okay. Okay, now we can see it. Looks good.
stop sharing.
Okay, is this the one that he's asking to do? Can you scroll up a little bit?
Yeah, I pulled a different
Okay.
file.
Okay, yeah, that looks pretty good.
You can make it look bigger.
You want to do is hold your control, use a hold control, and then you have your mouse, and then just, yeah, there you go.
Yeah,
Okay.
so everyone can see it.
Make it fast.
Looks good,
Do it.
Nicholas.
Okay, stop sharing.
Yes.
If you get it and you run it fail, bring it up so we can help you.
Hey, Mr. Pham, you already put this on the homework, right? On the
Wow,
Excel,
homework will be different.
on the Excel.
Yeah, but this for just exercise,
Okay.
not a homework. I can make sure the people know what to do.
Oh, first. Yeah, I see what you're saying.
So that's why I'm waiting for anyone really couldn't follow it or anything. Then you have to bring it up. We can help. Everyone can do like Mr. Smith.
Now, Mr. Pham, I got a different question for you though, but it's not regarding the e-calculation.
Yet, whatever.
You want me to bring it up?
Yet,
Okay. All right, I'm gonna share the screen real quick. And then it's, come on. Okay. Yeah, right here. Hey, Mr. Pham, can you use your whiteboard? I pretty much know how to do it, but a few things I might be getting wrong. Can you use your whiteboard and show how to write the loop? In other words, I would do VCC plus or minus ICRC plus or minus VCE plus or minus IERE, and then I'm not sure if that V1 should be in there, and then you say equals 0, then the other one goes VBB plus or minus IBRB plus or minus VBE plus or minus I guess it's IB or IERE equals 0. Can you write the loop for those? It's 2 loops.
okay, you want calculate the IB, right?
What I want you to do is write the formula, write the loop, because I'm trying to learn how to do that. I've seen you do it before, but I forget how you do it. Write the loop. There's 2 loops. One loop is for the VCC side, and the other loop is where RB is at.
Okay, now I can tell you. You need to look for the IB.
Okay, but I want you to use your whiteboard with the black thing and write it so we can see it.
Okay, so that means I have to turn on my iPad.
Yeah. Oh, where's this thing? Oh. Let me see, which one is this? This is yeah, this is assignment 13, but let me get another piece of paper here so I can write this thing down the way it's supposed to be. Okay, just so you know, Mr. Pham, it's on assignment 13 on the Excel. You want me to stop sharing so you can use your iPad?
Okay, I'm working on my iPad.
Okay, well, I'm gonna stop sharing so you'll have control of the thing. And like I said, I want to see what the loops, those 2 loops look like. Hey, Mr. Pham, so you'll know, it was from the Tech 1 homework of Excel, assignment 13.
I don't have it on my on iPad here. Okay, so now from I understand now here, gotta be here. Right? And you get register here, right?
Yeah, it's got a resistor there.
And you get negative, positive here.
Yeah, you got a battery.
So negative here, positive here. 20.
Let me see that.
There's RE, right?
Hold on, let me just make sure you got the right thing here.
I don't get the value.
Minus plus, okay. All right. Yeah, minus. Yes. That's,
Okay?
yeah, go ahead.
So
Okay, that's the RB part.
you get plot here,
Okay,
right? That from the base to the add meter.
The VBE, right?
So you want the loop, right?
yeah, show how you do the loop. This is for the
Okay.
R.
So the current IB will go this way.
Right. It goes that way.
So that is a plot here, minus here.
Okay,
So the first thing you get IB times RB.
IB times R.
And then VRB.
Okay,
Then when they hit into the positive, adding
plus 0.7.
get that?
Okay,
So when they hit into the RE, positive side, negative here. So plot IE times IE.
IE times RE. Okay,
Then you hit into minus 20.
okay. Minus 20.
That is the loop.
Zero. Okay, so if I got this right, okay, IB times RB plus 0.7 plus IERE minus 20 equals 0. That's the loop right there. Now, what's the other part for the VCC?
You don't need it.
No, but I'm trying to figure out how to write the loop for that. It goes VCC, then ICRC, VCE. Yeah, that part you can just get rid of that. I got that now.
The other part, and you get a register here, right?
Yeah, that's that's RC.
Okay. And you get the power here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the loop, they will be go this way, right?
Right. I just want to see how it all looks and everything.
So you can get minus VCC.
Oh, okay. So it's minus
And
the
then you go in minus. And that IC times IC.
plus I C R. And then the next one will be like BCE, right?
Yeah. Plus
Okay. Plus BCE. And then plus IERE. IE times RE minus 20 equals 0. Okay, yeah, there we go, Mr. Pham.
yeah, but you never have to do.
Huh?
You don't have to do on second look. The thing is after you calculate the IB, you get everything.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's good to know that, Mr. Pham, where all that information come from.
That's okay.
Yeah, because when you look at the circuit, then you know what's going on. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Minus VCC plus ICRC plus BCE plus IERE minus 20 equals 0. Okay. Whoever's next, they can ask their question. Yeah, I got it. All right.
Okay, and anyone get the whole program done.
Look like on the chat, it's Sam, I am still having problem. I have download io.h from website, but I'm still getting a bunch of error. Can I set a time when we can get together? Well, I'm going to show that right now. Okay. So,
Sam.
yes, Michael.
Is
Okay,
it-
I'm going to show you,
Hello, Sam.
right. Yes.
Is it they don't know how to download io.h?
No, we have to show them step by step, sir.
Yeah, but the thing is last week you guys get the
We did,
Wednesday.
but somehow they're not doing it.
Okay. Yeah, tell them. If without that, you cannot do anything.
So first, let me see. Okay. So first thing you want to do is go into your file folder. Okay. So you go into your file folder. You're going to go create into your C drive, and I'm going to, since I have my ETT, I'm going to rename this one here for now. Rename. I'm going to call this ETT number ETT2 or something. Okay. First thing you want to do is come into your file folder, create a folder. You can click on this folder here, or you can right click and you can come down here and scroll down to call new. Can everybody see my file folder?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so you want to do is click on the file folder. Now it's that new file folder. You want to come in here and type in ETT, okay? So you can use lowercase, uppercase, it doesn't matter as long as it's ETT, okay? So now I have that folder created. Okay, next thing I want to do is go to the website, okay? Go to
Can
the
I ask
handout.
a quick question there, Sam? I've been putting stuff on OneDrive. Do we need to put this on a local drive
Yeah, you want to put in a local drive because it's so that way it can act, because according to the io.h that he used inside the program. Now, if you use it on D drive, that's fine. You have to refer to D drive when you do the sample program right up here. As you can see, let me see, control enlarge right here. When you, if you put it, use a different drive, you want to put different drive here. Okay. But if you want to use a local drive, like I'm creating it, just put in the C drive so it match up with the sample program that Mr. Pham have on the website. Then that's what you want to do. It just go here and just let me see, go ahead and use the name. So that's all uppercases, ETT. And so that way I have that folder here existing on my C drive that match up the sample program that Mr. Pham set up inside his sample program. Okay. So now I have my folder there. Now I have to do is go to the website. Okay. And then I want to scroll down to the website, and we want to do is find the io.h. Okay. So io.h is right here. Can everybody see my io.h, my finger pointing to it?
Yes.
Okay, so you want to do is click on that, and that's what comes up. It would open up another, it would open up this window. So you want to do is highlight this, or you can hold Control A, and that would highlight all the information on that sheet. Okay, and so you Control C to copy that. Okay, once you have that copy, now you have to do is just minimize that out the way. Minimize this out the way. And then you want to do is open your notepad. Now I already wrote down everything else on here. Okay, so you open up your notepad. Okay. So you want to do is Control V to paste on your notepad. Okay, so everything that was on the website, now it's in here. This is the io.h. Okay. Okay, so this is in here. So therefore I have to do it just now once it's in here, now I want to do is go to File, and then go to Save As. And then now I have to do it just, I know it was on my C drive, so I want to choose my C drive, and it's in this ETT folder. Okay, from there, I want to do is type in this one, io.h. And you type in that file name, io.h, and click on Save. Okay. And that should be that IO now exists in your C drive. So if I want to confirm it, I want to do it, go to my file folder again, and go to my C drive, and go to my ETT folder, and there is the io.h. Okay, make sure you have the io.h. Without it, your program here would show there's a lot of errors. Okay, because you needed this one to be included inside your program. That is essential. That's the library that your program need to run correctly. Okay. All right. So I'm going to stop sharing.
Thank you, Sam.
You're welcome. Okay. Any other question or? Okay. So let's see. Any other question that we have here? Okay. So I think I was having one earlier from Abida. So just let's see. Said I have my software downloaded. When click on new project, I only see WPE application, Silverlight application, Silverlight class. Okay, so I'm going to show it. So I'm going back into that share screen again. Okay. So remember what Mr. Tai said. So first thing you want to do is once you have it downloaded, you go to your start here, you click on that, and you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom to find Visual Studio. Right here, Visual Studio 2015. Click on it, it would open up. Okay, so it's open up. So it opened up. Now sometime now before, like Mr. Tai said, you had to go in here to set up your personal account. Now I already set up my account here. So that's why I can open up, and then you want to do is click on here. It said, okay, without it, let me see. Let me go ahead and sign out on this here. Okay, so we're going to be signing out.
Sam, I already did that. It's
Okay.
on the actual software.
Mm-hmm.
When you go under create, the
Okay.
only 3 option it gives you is the one that I listed for you. I can
Okay.
share my screen if you like me to.
Okay, yes, please. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, let me just open it really quick. Just give me a second, it's loading.
Okay.
Okay, can you see my screen or no?
Not yet.
Okay. Do you have to accept it?
Yeah, click on share screen and then choose the screen that you want to share.
I did.
Okay, nothing comes in yet.
Oh.
Okay, this one from us. Look like Oscar got a question. Do we upload the .cpp file? Okay, Oscar, you're going to upload the .cpp file when we assign on the homework. Right now, it's only a practice. Make sure you know how to set up the template for doing your coding. Okay, so it's essential that you have to set up your template correctly. Okay, so right now you're doing just a practice. Oh, okay. So you look like you got many things on. Okay, go ahead and you can click on that. You can click on the other one. All the other one, you can click on X on to close that. All the other pages on. But right now, okay. So you want to do, okay. So okay. So see you got, okay. Now on the right, on the left side, you want to click on Visual C++.
This
Down,
one right here.
go down.
Go down, go down.
Visual C++, that's the one we want. Okay, so go ahead and click on the window. Okay, so look like you did not download the right way. Okay, so
I need to uninstall it and do it again.
yeah, you have to reinstall it. You have to follow the set instruction that Mr. Tai gave you that was on the website.
Yeah, it looks it's missing like the one that says W Win2 or something is not showing.
Yeah, look like you're missing. Yeah, you're missing a couple things on there. That is depending if you set up this one since the beginning. If you download the
maybe okay, but you not select the plan video. That is not the one.
Yeah, it looks like only those 3 shows.
Okay, close this and go ahead and show me your desktop. Close this whole plate.
Yeah.
This whole page.
That's up on the desktop. Display.
Yeah, close that page. Close that. Go ahead and exit out. Close it.
I will start from brand new all over again.
Now just click X to get out of that.
Close this page. Click the X to close it.
If I close it, I'm gonna exit the sharing.
Yeah, go ahead and click on close, and then like I said, when we okay, remember what we said a minute ago. Okay, so it is inside your let me go share again. Okay, like Mr. Pham was trying to point out to you. Okay, when you go into your here, okay, you don't want this blend for Visual Studio 2015. You don't want this.
Okay.
Can you see my desktop?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, do not use this one. You want to scroll down all the way to the bottom.
Okay.
And it just said Visual Studio 2015.
Okay, I'll write that down.
Okay.
Okay. I'll
and
try
you
it
click
again
on
later.
that. Yeah, you click on that. That should be bring up you. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing now.
Okay.
Okay, Sam, this is a quick question, Sam.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, could I share my screen?
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah. Okay, that is my assignment. I cannot do it. Number 3 because I confusing this input A and input P. It is and number 1 question is the input high, A high, B high is the clearly. But when
Correct.
we go to the number 3 question, it is a high diagram timing, but it's not input A.
So just
0.
think about high. You have to look at your timing signal, just almost like what you did before.
Yeah, but I do follow the high diagram timing, but it fail.
What
When
I
did you
did.
when did you download this file?
In the class web.
When?
Now the thing is, on that number 3, right?
Yeah, yeah.
This is a different gate. This is a NAND.
Yeah, it's NAND that, yeah.
So
But
these one
don't know
doesn't matter. B0 you have to be 1.
Yeah, this is the high logic one.
High, right.
Yeah. But I
think
do
B0.
Yeah, B0, but I do follow
No,
the
no, we don't care
typical.
about that one. I'm talking about the first one. D0.
Yeah, B0.
A1.
Listen.
B0.
A1. B0, yeah.
So
Follow the.
I have to be 1.
Yeah, right. And the same.
Same thing.
Yeah, same thing. Output same thing, and the input high. Input
High
A
and
high.
high.
High and high is the NAND
0.
gate is 0, right? I do follow the typical truth table, but it's a fail.
You didn't finish it. Look at the end there. You only have one more. You have last one. Look like you have blank.
Yeah.
Scroll down there after T10. You have that blank. You have blank space there. After that, go to the right.
Go to the right.
Yeah.
You put something there.
That block is empty. So you,
Is it one more? Yeah.
Yeah.
One more. Okay, is a NAND is 1.
0, 0, that's a 1.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I try with the copy to the system. Number 3. Number 3. Okay, number 3. Yeah. I emptied the last one. Okay, thank you very much.
okay.
Thank you. I got it.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Stop that.
Next question.
Thank you very much.
Any more?
No more.
Sam, I have,
Do you have a question, John?
yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, I only have Visual Studio 2019. Is that going to be a problem?
Yes, it is going to be a problem. You want to use the one that we use for the website from our website. So because 2019, there's a lot of updated to the Visual Studio, and the platform that we set up, it doesn't work on 2019. Okay. So make sure you download the 2015, like from the one from the website.
Oh, you have one on the website? Okay.
Yeah, that's
because
what
it
we
might have been
get.
the
Yeah,
day the day I would miss part of the class. I didn't.
yeah, that's what
Okay.
we said. Recommend. So stay
Gotcha.
with the one that we all using, so that way we have one platform or one template to use.
Sure. And where is that under? Is that under the homepage or handouts?
That should be in the handout
Handout page?
class. Yeah, so
Tab.
it's gonna be.
Okay. I'll look for
share
it. Thank you.
same. So it's going here and it's on the handout. Scroll down, and then it says C++ Visual Studio C++ instruction. You have the instruction to download it as well as downloading this here into your computer.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, so is that good for everyone? Okay. So now we go back to try to Register student. Okay, Phương Tran, are you ready to register for class? For Phương Tran, can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes.
You fucked the whole thing up.
Anh, đừng có nói chuyện
No,
thêm.
you can speak English better.
Go ahead, Phương Tran, go ahead.
Okay.
What problem do you?
Click on share screen and show me the share screen the way you set up your
That's what I'm looking for.
setting up your portal.
I'm that shit way back here. So they already know how to, and they're looking at us like, who are these guys? This shit didn't exist.
Okay. And you